Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're reviewing the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra with refill and drainage system, one of the most advanced robot vacuum and mop systems available for homeowners seeking a truly hands-free cleaning experience. The standout feature of this model is the integrated refill and drainage system, which takes automation to a whole new level. Unlike traditional robot vacuum docks that require frequent manual water tank maintenance, this system can automatically refill clean water and drain dirty water when properly installed. This dramatically reduces routine maintenance and helps create a near-fully autonomous cleaning solution. When it comes to vacuuming performance, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra delivers an impressive 10,000 Pa HyperForce suction power. This powerful cleaning system effectively lifts dust, dirt, pet hair, crumbs, and debris from hard floors and carpets. Whether cleaning everyday messes or tackling deep carpet cleaning, the vacuum is engineered to provide strong and consistent results. Another major innovation is Roborock's flexi-arm design. Traditional robot vacuums often miss dirt along edges and corners. The flexi-arm side brush extends outward to reach difficult spaces, helping improve cleaning coverage along walls, furniture edges, and room corners where debris commonly accumulates. The advanced mopping system is equally impressive. The dock automatically performs mop washing and drying, reducing odors and helping maintain mop cleanliness between cleaning cycles. This automation minimizes user involvement and improves overall hygiene. For homes with mixed flooring, the 20mm auto mop lifting system is particularly useful. When carpets are detected, the mop automatically lifts to prevent unwanted moisture transfer. This allows the robot to transition between hard floors and carpets intelligently without requiring manual adjustments. Navigation is powered by sophisticated AI and obstacle recognition technology. The robot can identify furniture, cables, shoes, pet bowls, and other common household obstacles, allowing it to move efficiently throughout the home while reducing the risk of getting stuck. The intelligent mapping system creates detailed floor plans that users can customize through the Roborock app. Through the app, users can schedule cleanings, create no-go zones, customize room-specific cleaning settings, monitor cleaning progress, and manage multiple floors. Voice assistant compatibility adds additional convenience for smart home users. Pet owners will especially appreciate the strong suction, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and advanced cleaning automation that help keep floors clean with minimal effort. The system is designed to handle daily pet hair, tracked-in dirt, and household debris efficiently. Overall, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra with refill and drainage system combines powerful suction, intelligent AI navigation, automatic mop maintenance, carpet protection, and industry-leading automation into a premium cleaning package. If you're looking for one of the most hands-free robot vacuum and mop systems currently available, this model deserves a place at the top of your shortlist. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and check out the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.